Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to take a screenshot on your Samsung device, in today's video we are going to guide you through some methods for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So you can directly navigate to the screen that you want to capture first, and you can directly use the physical buttons available on your screen. You can press the volume and the power button at the same time, and that should probably screenshot your screen. That is how you do it. Or sometimes you can even press and you know click on the volume buttons about 2 to 3 times. That should also work out. Apart from that, you can enable the feature. So go to your settings for that and scroll down, find the option for advanced features and tap on it, and then select the option for motions and gestures. Once you tap on motions and gestures, you just need to look out for the option to switch palm swipe to capture. So we have this option for palm swipe to capture. You can just go over and turn this option on, and you can place the edge of your hand on the screen with your pinky side touching the glass, or you can swipe your hand across the screen from one side to the other in a single motion, and that should also take a screenshot. Apart from that, you can also use a menu. So go to settings and scroll down, find accessibility option, and within there you can look out for the option for interaction and dexterity, and look out for assistant menu. You can turn it on, and when you turn on the menu, you'll be finding the menu. You can tap on it and go to the particular screen, and if select this option called screenshot.